Just a reminder to each and every young person in Zimbabwe, go and register to vote. The future of Zimbabwe lies in our hands, so we have the responsibility to make sure that we put the leaders who are responsible for our future. We are the next generation which is supposed to be in power. We are behind. Our generation was supposed to be taking over from the generation of people like Nelson Chamisa in a few years to come, but we are still attached to the older generation, and they don't want to leave power. They are sticking around. Go to the ministries, go to the parastatals. They are in control of everything. When are we going to take charge? When are we going to be in authority? When are we going to implement and have our ideas explored? Register to vote. We have ideas, but we cannot implement them. Why? It's because the old guard is still clinging to power.